everyone, welcome to our channel, welcome to Meggie B's Family TV.
Thank you so much, my YT family. I appreciate you all. You guys are all amazing, and for showing up all the time in our premiere. We really love you, and you are not unnoticed for all your support. And if you are seeing our video for the first time, please make sure you check our videos and see whether it's something that you like or someone that you know may like, and share it and subscribe to this channel. And we are going to be continuing the storytelling and the memory lane that we have been showing you here. And today's episode is about the opening of the Meggie's K acquisition. You know, last week we showed you guys about the interview to see who really fits to be on this K acquisition, because so we really wanted to know who are really qualified to be there, because it was really crowded and we did not expect the crowd that shows up. Yeah, so now we are going to be showing you the opening day, what happened in the opening day.
Why don't we talk about the question raised, why we choose this location?
Okay, yeah, that question, I think I did a video, or we did a video while we were there in Africa or in Nigeria, why we choose that location.
Yeah, but the video is not shown yet.
The video is not shown yet. Okay, so, okay guys, I'm going to show you the video why we choose that location, because I don't need to be talking about it now. The video already explained itself. The only problem is that I was a little bit fat there, but now I'm a little bit slimmer version of me, so don't get confused. That is why I always mention that it's not because of the progress I make with losing my weight. That being said, let's roll that video.
Hello lovely people, I will be answering one of the questions that have been asked. Why do I choose this location? Well, one reason why I choose the location is that I grew up in some certain extent of my life in that area. And secondly, we have more or less privileged people around here. It will be easy for them to access the location. And thirdly, it's also more like the second reason, because most of the teachers have businesses around there, and it will be easier for them to teach for like 3 to 4 hours and walk back to their businesses. So it is easier for both the teachers and the students to be able to access the location without thinking of how much they are going to pay for transportation.
There's this video where I was going to check for other location. It explained itself, so let's play that video. Hello guys, it's me again. So before I do my changing, I have to go to some very remote parts. There's something they call keke nape. You see, the driver and me and my brother who is here. So he's the one that is looking for those really some kind of remote parts in Benin, so that we can know whether we can still do something there. But you know, it's really like not easy, because the roads are so bad. So this is the only way you can get to this place. So yeah, that is the only transportation that gets to this area where these people live. See that?
This is the reason, and I think we are enjoying it because most of the time both the teachers and those that are learning, they come regularly, and we have a lot of people that are willing to learn, that are wanting to learn, that don't even have a place now in our skill acquisition. We are happy that we are able to provide this, and we know that this could not give them millions that they need, but it will give them a source of livelihood and skills for enterprises. And after school, they have something to fall back to. So that is why we're doing this. And what better way to do it than to bring it to their doorstep?
So you see, if I've opened it somewhere like in GRA, I will spend a lot of money, and everybody there that lives in that corner, probably they are able to go to university, or even they are able to go and pay for somebody to, you know, because to rent a house or to own a house in GRA, you must have something in your pocket. So why go to GRA and when I need people in a remote place to learn? So I believe it doesn't make any sense. So I have to go to their doorstep, as I mentioned, and bring it to them. And I really see that it was very helpful to do so. They are just doing the pender to teach them how to do pender. They are using this machine because of shorts of light, because there is electricity is very, very scarce here. So the providers are NEPAs and they don't give them lights most times. So that is why they are using this type of machine that doesn't use lights. And this side we have the make.
Nothing they come there. So don't they drive
So the two stores are linked together. You can see they are linked together.
The glitter shadow, maybe that shiny shadow. This one, give me your hand. Show you see them. It they shine. Now they call shimmers. So now this one have be shadow with shimmers. Why this one? You know they shine. Now those one be matte shadow. Now those one be crease shadow. How you say they are? I said mouth odor. You know, say when you they work for clients, the client sit down and you they bend. You feel they talk. The client will say, until do what you want to. But if you get a fresh breath, what you and Sheikh have gonna discuss. In case you go job when you sleep over that morning, like white wedding job, you know they quickly brush at time. Just find something, put for mouth. That something don't kill that smell. And that one are for your own. If your own client, you see say your mouth they smell, not tell us say until your mouth they smell. Just say until wait till I do the work, not talk again. No be done you can't say until, or you can't say your girl. Say this one mouth they smell. No, just say until wait till I'm not doing the work. Just okay. Then number 2 now. It's good that you hold on.
What's shiny? Say shiny. What's this?
Shiny red.
What's this?
Star.
This one?
Shiny red.
This
Shiny
one?
Shiny ball.
That's good. Okay, go for this one. This one is big polish. Big polish. This one is big ball. This one is beans. Big beans. Big beans. This one is small beans. Okay. You not drop that one, leave that one. This one is what? Let me see. This one is what?
Polish.
Ah, this girl, you dey try. This one is what?
Beans.
This one is what?
Can I see your hands?
This one is small beans. This one is big beans. This one is polish. This one is small polish. See the difference?
Yes.
This one is small polish, this one is big polish.
Please, what
this
is
one is
the...
beans, this one is small beans. I don't understand like that.
Yes.
What's this?
Big ball.
This?
Polish.
Big polish.
Small polish.
This session you guys are going to learn how to do English bead, right? And also Edo beading, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay. So
Our next class will be doing the bridal hand fan.
Okay, what we'll do? No, fit now.
Yes, line. Another try with it.
Then do balaka. Then this will balaka. No, can't
What are your experience? Please tell me your experience. Do you like it?
Yes.
We learned a lot. It was
Really?
fun. Our first class was fun.
Okay.
It was fun. We learned a lot. We love it. We love it.
That's nice. So can we?
The auntie.
Yeah, that is good. So if you like this video, if there's something I should have do better or I've not done well, so you can freely mention it in the comment section. If you want to be a part of my team, because I want to extend it way far more than Benin. I want to reach many places. People have been asking me, will you like to come to Ibadan? Will you do the, will you do the, only me not fit do it. So if I find people that will join hand with me, why not? That was 2 years ago, but don't worry, we are going to be giving you what update of what we are doing now, and we are telling you the story from 3 years ago up till now. We are going to be updating you. So story time and memory lane is not yet done. This is testing. More are coming. Yeah.
I hope you enjoy watching this video, and you can also check the rest of our video. If it is what you like, please don't forget to press that red button, subscribe. We love you guys as always.
See you in the next video.
Bye.
Bye.